Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm all dressed up this morning. It's currently 7:40 something a.m. here. I'm rushing to go out. I want to go and lose my hair. You see, it's rough. I want to go and lose it, wash it, then get a new braid, then do some other things before coming home. So guys, my bag is all packed. So let's go guys. This is what I'm wearing. Let's go.
One Igbo girl wey they've been there here. Then that girl was 13 years. She was 20 years. You know, cheat in mama. They go to school, come back like this. Now what is the first student? Go they run this shop. She work like that moment.
Today I'm going for a staycation, just to spend like 2 days, then come back home. This is my bag is all packed. I have just this bag here, and this is what I'm wearing, and of course this is my new hair, and this is my full outfit. My nails is done. Let me show you my full outfit. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to announce to you guys that our channel is monetized. Yeah, this channel is monetized guys. I want to say thank you so much for all your support. This is me saying thank you to you all again. Without you guys it will not be possible. Thank you so much guys. Please, now that we are monetized, please guys, don't skip my ads. Please don't skip my ads guys, so that you can support me with it. Please, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So please, if you are still watching, hit the like button, like this video guys. Please like the video, drop your comments at the comment section. What do you think about this beautiful beautiful place, this beautiful city of Abuja, Nigeria. We are almost close to the hotel, guys. We are almost close. We are close. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Please do well to watch to the end. Thank you. So guys, we have arrived in the hotel. We are here at the hotel. The hotel is so beautiful, so beautiful place. They have lots of nice places inside this hotel, which I will be showing you guys. You guys are going to be seeing it. Make sure you watch to the end, guys. Just make sure you watch to the end. So I want to use this opportunity to still ask you guys again, what kind of videos do you want me to be posting on this my channel? Please drop it in the comment section. What kind of video do you guys want to be seeing? You guys are my viewers, you guys are my supporters, so anything you guys tell me to do, I will do. As long as I can do it, I will try my possible best to do it for you guys. Please drop it at the comment section. Thank you. So guys, if you are still watching, thank you so much. Please remember, don't skip my ads, please. Thank you so much. You know we are monetized now. So guys, we are finally in our room after all the check-ins and all of that. This place is so beautiful, guys. guys. Believe me, it's so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys the tour of our hotel room in my other video that will be coming up after this one. So guys, please, if you know you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload new videos, guys. So this is me feeling myself, showing you guys my full outfit. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.